everyone. Welcome back to Captain Clarity.
All right, friends, today we're taking on the dust. You ready for some real-life clarity?
Initiating Super Clean Protocol 3-thin. Where's the suck everything button?
Just don't test it on yourself, Byte.
Captain, the carpet's fighting back!
That's physics, not war. Release the button.
I thought it was turbo mode. So this sucks matter into an infinite void?
Not infinite, just the dust bag, Byte.
A localized singularity. I knew it. Critical failure. The suction system rebelled.
That's not rebellion, that's entropy. Hold the hose!
It's alive.
And that, viewers, is how you bring clarity to chaos.
My filtration system needs an update.
Maybe start with a dust bag, not firmware.
See Friendsver, just airflow, a filter, and gravity. Real-world logic beats code today.
Wait, no binary? No updates?
Just elbow grease and a little clarity.
Mission accomplished. Vacuum saved, home restored, and a lesson learned.
Installing update. Anti-Dust 2.0.
Just don't uninstall the furniture, okay?